everybody. Just want to share a simple Christmas Italian traditional recipe. All it is 2 ingredients, and you need dried figs and some pecan nuts. And I like to use organic dried figs, the Macro brand. I just find they're nice and plump, and being organic, that's a bonus. But use whichever dried figs you like. Now what you do is you take a fig and you just cut the ends off, the dry bits, and slice it in half, and you get some pecan nuts and make it nice and plump. Just squeeze that together to make a little parcel. And once you've done all your figs, what you do is you bake them in the oven for 150 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And then when they come out of the oven, you just sprinkle some sugar over the top if you like. If you don't have to, it just adds a little bit of a different look. And that's it. Enjoy your 2 ingredient Christmas recipe, and have a lovely Merry Christmas. Bye.